Hello everyone, so this is Gaurav Keswani back again on Tech Learning. In the last video we have learned how to make a basic portfolio website. In this video we will learn how you can host this whole code into an online server so that your website is live on the internet. Okay, so today I will teach you what this code is. First let us show what it is actually. This was the thing which we have done right now. It is being hosted locally right now in C users Bellamy desktop tech learning portfolio index.html. Now we have to host it online, like something like www. whatever your domain name is and .com or something like that. So if you want that you should have a domain name, you can buy it from GoDaddy or you can buy it from Hostinger or anywhere you want, like godaddy.com. You can buy the domain name here with a very cheap price. The .com price are quite higher than a lot of the other domain names. So you can buy your domain name from here, like .org 849, .today 348, .co 209, .xyz rupees 99. So you can just buy your domain name. Since in this video I will teach you that how you can host everything online absolutely free. So there's a thing known as Netlify. Netlify is an all-in-one platform for automating the all modern web projects. Like if you want to automate something present in GitHub, something in Node.js, something in HTML, CSS, Angular, React, everything, you can just host it online on Netlify. But it does not provide your database. Since we are not having any database things, we can host it online on netlify.com. Just sign up Netlify, since I have already signed up because some of my projects are on Netlify only. You can sign up with GitHub or with email. Just sign up with email, type your email and sign up there. A link will come in your email. Just verify it. And then with your credentials or login credentials, go and log in. Since I have already logged in with my login credentials, it will come something like this. Okay. I hope you're getting. Now you can upload your whole projects directly from the GitHub. Since I have not taught you GitHub right now, I will be teaching you in the next video how to use GitHub. All you have to do is just upload this project directly in here. So just go to want to deploy a new site without connecting to Git, drag and drop your site folder here. All you have to do is just drop whatever your folder is here so that you can have everything. Like I have the tech learning, inside tech learning I have portfolio. So I just have to use my portfolio thing. So just open this and drag this portfolio directly in this site. You can see it is written uploading and it is written here site has not yet been deployed. Okay, so it has been deployed. You can see the image right here. Okay, just click on this site. Okay, so now your site has been hosted online with the domain name giftedwilson96cfe3.netlify.com. Okay, so you are seeing that this is quite not good. This domain name is not good. People won't identify your domain name. So you can change this domain name here by going on site settings, go to change site name and write whatever your name is. Like I will write learn with Gaurav. So my domain name will be https learnwithgaurav.netlify.com. Just click on this save button. As soon as you will save it, this domain name will change to learnwithgaurav.netlify.com. Now you can click on it and you can see that your whole project is online now. Now I can open it from my mobile phone, from my tablet or from other laptops. So it's quite easy. You can host it online using these credentials. You can also use GitHub for continuous deployment, which I will be telling you in the next video how to use GitHub, and in my further videos I will teach you how to do the continuous deployment things. So if you will make any change here and you again want to upload it, you can do that thing. Okay, you can see your website is live. So just go here, click on Ctrl+Shift+I button so you can inspect this element. Just inspect it. You can see how this will look in different phones like iPhone 6, 7, 8 iPhone 5 and your iPad. So this is how it will look in your different phones, different mobile phones. Okay, so you can just go here and click on it. Like suppose I have clicked here, I want to change the color. Just go on color, okay, and choose whatever color you want. Like I want this red, blue, green, black, white, whatever you want. Just click on that color so that you will get it. It's quite easy. Just take that color. I have chosen right now. Okay, you can copy this color code and paste it directly on your browser. So this is how you can host it online. Like if I will again reload it, it will not be the same red color because I have not made any change in the code which I had with Netlify. So I will teach you one more thing. Like I have more accounts. Like I have uploaded some of my projects also on Netlify. Okay, I will show you one of my own project, one of my own website which I have currently, but I have a custom domain name .tech. I have bought it online. Okay, so you can see it is providing me free hosting, right? I just have bought this domain name. So this is my personal profile, my personal with my projects and everything. So this is my portfolio. You can make this kind of portfolio, but it is quite advanced. I have told you that if you want to learn advanced CSS and HTML, just ping me up so that I can teach you one by one. If you want the different sections like this, different sections like I have this about learn more, I have this about page, I have this different things, what I have done, what I am good with. Okay, so this is my project, this is my portfolio, these are my projects which I have been working. Like I have some websites which I have done, these CSS images which I have worked with. I have some web apps. Like recently I created this in my 4th year project and AutoCast. You can see my live demo. I have hosted it online on Heroku app because it has provided me free domain name. So this is how you can make something very interesting. You can make your resume quite interesting so that people can go and look out how your projects are. Like this is my project. This is an automatic question paper generator system. You can read about it. Like here, go log in, sign up. Okay, sign up and then you can log in into this so that you will have something great UI interface. So this is how Netlify works. You can use this Netlify for free hosting online, and I hope that it is quite helpful for the beginners who want to do everything for free, who want to host their projects online, who want to host their resume, their portfolio online. So this is quite a good thing which Netflix has provided to us. I don't know what profit this thing is making out, but I know that you all are making quite a profit by using these things. Okay, so thank you, and I hope that you will see my next video on GitHub, which is a very important video for the developers, how you are using the GitHub, and then I will teach you how to do the continuous deployment by just changing your code. Thank you.